Welcome to Gary Auto Care. I'm Tim Wire. Right now I have Astra. This vehicle has a problem with hard start and sometimes it normally stops when you're driving. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. First, I want to diagnose this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code, and I'm going to use my thinker so that we identify exactly fault code. So it's a foxhole. So let me read the fault code. Astra, okay. Engine, okay. So we don't have any fault code on the system. So if we don't have any fault code in the system and this vehicle normally stops or it has an hard start, we have two culprits. One is temperature sensor, two is crankshaft sensor. But before we conclude that, I'm going to live data. Where is the crankshaft sensor? Exactly, this is the crankshaft sensor. So I'm going to crank this vehicle to see if the RPM counts. If it doesn't count, see the problem is crankshaft sensor. It can be the socket, open circuit, or crankshaft is sensor itself. So according to this vehicle, the main problem is crankshaft. Let me show you. The crankshaft is behind engine, near the converter here, or it's behind the exhaust. This is exactly crankshaft I'm talking about. So I'm going to remove the crankshaft sensor. First you need to unscrew the 10mm nut like that. Then this is the crankshaft I'm talking about. Let me show you. But according to the condition of this crankshaft sensor, we have a lot of iron particle, grease and oil. So meaning according to this condition it's not okay. So I'm going to clean using my cloth like that. You can do that, or you can clean using the chalk cleaner to make sure it is clean like that. These are two methods. The final one, you can replace a new one, and this is the brand you can trust. Let me zoom so that you can see. Let me show you. Delphi, this is the part number. So let me zoom. Is a crankshaft position sensor. So this is the new crankshaft position sensor. So let me replace the new crankshaft position sensor. But also the iron particles can cause that behavior. So sometimes if you don't have a new crankshaft sensor, you can clean it and install back. So I'm going to make sure like that. After that, I'm going back so that we can start the vehicle. Because we don't have any fault code, there's no need of clearing the fault code. Let me try to start. Half kick. So the main problem was the crankshaft sensor. So everything's working perfect. The acceleration is smooth. Let me go and show you. So everything is working perfect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.